Alright, so we'll be doing that Myntra Beauty Super Haul, which I wanted to do. It became overcast this week, so I wasn't able to shoot the fashion video. So this week we'll be doing the haul. Anyway, I was really excited about showing you all the items. I figured like waiting for another week would kind of kill the buzz, at least for me. It's not even evening and it's already seeming like it's like 4, 5, 6. But anyway, I'm going to use my ring light, and that side is my natural light, which already seems to be dimming. So ordered multiple items from Myntra. This sale which must have been over the weekend. Okay, so what I'm going to do is like I've got a bunch of stuff which kind of starts from like the start of while doing your makeup and all the way to the end. But obviously I don't have all the items because I didn't order like individually everything. I mean, if you've seen my vlog, then you kind of understand that I've been complaining about like sweating it through this summer, and I'm not sure why my products haven't been able to stay on my face. But I have a bunch of stuff. I don't know if you can tell. These were all ordered in. What I'll be doing is taking you through the process of like how I start down to whatever items I have that will end on my face. So, and at the same time, I'll keep showing you the items, and I will link the items via QR code, whatever I've ordered, whatever I've used. You can scan that and place the order if you think like you like any of the items. That'll make it easier for you. If you do like anything that I'm doing, then please subscribe or at least give me a like, so then I know that I'm not doing too badly. We'll start with Pore Primer, which I ordered from Etude. I've never tried this brand for skincare or like makeup stuff except for like their lipsticks, and that also I think my sister has ordered them, so I know their products are really cool, so I thought like I should, you know, definitely give it a go. But this is the item, if you can tell. It's a cool casing. How I use the item, so it kind of like comes out like this, but that's usually all I use anyway, so I'll only apply it on areas where I do apply most of the product. It glides so easily. This may not be a full-faced tutorial. I already have on like lip tint and a little of Kajal. I don't want to look completely bare. What I've done, I've put blurring pore primer. I want any product that kind of helps hold in, make me sweat more. So I will proceed to the next item. I had ordered this e.l.f. color corrector, and it's a peach color option. See, now that's how it is by itself. It's so cute, lovely item has. So I'll just show you how it is. How do I do this? Yeah. So that's the color. Apply it. Something I have to obviously learn about my face, because I wasn't aware that I had so many distinct regions and different. I just assume that, you know, if you have one part of your face that has discoloration, it's kind of because it's one face, so one discoloration color. But turns out, so when you apply the concealer directly onto the skin, it could either turn gray or it could turn yellow. Color corrector kind of helps soothe that color. So the undertones are cooler or more neutral. Peach would be like kind of warm base, so it won't turn gray when I apply the concealer. That's the concept that I understood. I'm not going with a concealer today because I'm just trying to like see the products that I have ordered, and I just use the basic like milk makeup tint. It's kind of just keeping it warm because I don't know if it'll turn ashy or, you know, insane browns in my face. So I had literally just wound up everything because the sun had kind of gone down again, but the sun is back up again. Just goes to show how excited I am about this haul. So there's this moisture powder by Innisfree, and oh, see, they have the concealer. I'm just peeling it off. Ooh. Wow, I've never owned this item, so this is a complete novelty. All right, I have this little, you know, cute little cushion, and I'm doesn't take it out, does it? I guess we have to keep pumping it in to the Shiseido one. See, again, it's back in the package because I had wrapped it all up. Now I'm just going to take it out. Okay, so once again, just showing you that this is how it looks, and we'll take a little pump of it on. So I'm assuming anything that kind of says radiant, it would not be a blurring foundation. Anastasia Beverly Hills Blur Effect Foundation. I made a mistake because I thought that I would be getting that item and this item. So by the time I added to cart the colors which I had picked, And I thought I'd like collect everything and kind of place the order at the end. You know, I assumed it'd be like a bulk discount or what. I guess I got too late because by the time I reached, my color had been sold out on Anastasia. So this is my color. Go to the stores and kind of like, you know, go to test out these products at the store. But what ends up happening, I like the color. It's closer to my skin, but that's only pre-application. Once the application's done, you know, start oxidizing, so then the original color gets much darker. I'm still just using this amount. I really like the color of this product. I'm just gonna apply foundation on my lids, but I have taken out so much product. I just kind of have to like use it up wherever I can. This is taking much longer. It's because I don't have a brush here. I wanted to use products which I've ordered today. Oh crap, wait. I do have a brush. Oh yeah. I got an Etude brush. This was free with the Etude product I'd ordered or something. So much product, and I'm finished my whole face and I still haven't been able to use it up. Okay, here goes. I'm gonna go on to the neck region, which I usually kind of avoid in the summers because it's so hot and I don't want so much cakiness in my body. But one thing's for sure, that like a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna proceed to the already placed an order for the Mars setting powder. I found Innisfree, and I'd already opened this when I just wound up right now, so just to test it out. So if you can see, this is how it is, and I will dabbing. So between the layers, please dab so that you have is setting it in place. Now it just goes like I am caking it up so much more. Layers just makes me feel more product on my face and it's inviting more sweat. But I feel like it's oxidizing ashy or yellow, and color corrector helped with the. Did it help? I can't tell. Like, is my foundation more yellow, or like is my eye region still kind of gray? Can't tell. How does one? They say that it's good for baking. Disinfecting this little. It's really chic. Like, I like this little hygiene casing. So maybe I have to like insert it this way to like protect it, like that. Like a little blush brush. But yeah, it's so cute and like love it. Oh yeah, so I'd ordered this highlighter from e.l.f. again. This one's the Beauty Wand Halo Glow, and this is it. Like, I thought super, so I already used it, but it's got like this little pump. It's gonna like place it, so you can see how insane the colors. I feel so tempted to just go for it directly on my skin, so we will go for a little bit of this. And it's kind of wet. What would it? When I tried it the other day, it was like so glittery. Maybe that's way too much, but I like a good highlighter. Thursday night, so I'll be going to Delhi Gymkhana. It might be one of the last, since they said that June 5th is the day of submission of the property. They're not popping. It was so subtle that I am not excited. And so it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills again. See, I feel so bad that like I missed out on that like foundation. My color is gone. It's at full price again, and I have to wait for another sale. The item, I took out the lid, and it's like super liquidy, and I'm oh, there it is. Okay, blurring kind of setting spray, so it's not absolutely dewy. Just about all the product my skin can take anymore. Okay, I'm me without anything else. Don't look at the lips, don't look at the kajal. Everything else is what I've ordered from Myntra. Completely forgot. Ordered, yeah, that's why I was wondering, why did I order the like 2 more items from Mars? And basically that was because they had like a Mars deal or something. This is the Mars eyeliner, and as you can see, it's like a like felt tip version, but it's not. You can see that like the product kind of stays. Did I not use blurring powder here? Anyway, since I'm not doing any eyeshadow today, I will just be doing the liner. It really doesn't matter if your wing or your eyeliner is crazy neat or not, except whatever graphic version you are applying to your face. Okay, I'm gonna have, when it dries out, it still kind of has like this like more glossy finish. This one's the eyeshadow pencil. It's like it's got a little bit of a spoolie, and it also has this little bit of pen. It's in dark brown color. Usually I apply this before the face, but it is way darker than my usual. I never go for a black, so this dark brown feels like it's so black. But so that's how it appears by itself. And when I use the spoolie, I kind of like blend them out a bit, more or less natural. And I feel like this color is really close to my own brows. And it certainly gives them this density, if you can tell. Like, so that's how it is. And anyway, watched a few videos to like figure out looks appropriate, marginal flattering effect on my face. My brows done, Mars items I had gotten. And I have completed haul. Most of the items I've ordered, I think I'm happy with. Like, I think aside from, you know, a little underwhelming highlighter, and eyeliner could definitely be a little less glossy and bend a little more. It would probably be way more smooth. Hope like my face is not feeling too flat because I'm not applied any blush, but I'm going in the evening to like an indoor bar, so these colors are gonna pop. But yeah, I'd always carry a blush anyway, so I hope fun round, you know, like a haul is always fun to watch. This was my first time doing a haul. Like, I didn't think I was one of those people, but it was a fun take. Like, I think like I can do more of this. But yes, this is the complete look. We need to go closer. But yeah, happy with the foundation. I'm gonna wait for another discount and go. I think everything else, all in all, are made me happy. So that's it. Until next time, see you.